Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Shani Fola Kerebi. Today I'm going to be talking about CapCut, how you can use CapCut to do your thumbnail. It is very easy and very simple to do. Uh, CapCut is one of the most popular app that you can use to do your film production. You can use it for a lot of things. But today I'll be talking about how you can use it to do thumbnail. Very easy. And at the same time, please subscribe to my channel. If you like what you are doing, please help me. I beg you. Just subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell and thumbs up, please. Please, so that you can see my video anytime I upload any new videos. Let's go there. Now, this is CapCut. This is the my screen recorder. Then I'm clicking on CapCut. This is the CapCut app. Then you press, you click on next project. So at my next project now, all my pictures are coming out. I'm looking for some colors that I downloaded from Google. You have to go to Google, download some colors. So I'm using this color. So I will have to add this color to CapCut. So after adding, I don't really want to use this color. I don't want to use this color. So I'm going to background. You click on background. So after clicking on background, it will bring different colors that you might replace or you use two colors together. I'm picking orange. I'm picking this orange color. I'll be using this orange color. I'll click on the orange color. Then I told you I'm not using this. Then I deleted this color away. So left with this color. So right now I want to go and reduce this something. I'm taking the ratio. So I'm going to use a YouTube ratio, which is 16 times 9. That is thumb tag ratio for YouTube. So after that, I will now go to overlay. Then pick my pictures that I want to use. Pick my picture. I think the picture is somewhere up. Auto overlay. This is the picture here I'm using. I click on it, then add it to my project. This is the picture. So now I will try to adjust it to make it a little bigger, to the size I really want, to the side and to the type that I really want. So I'm adding it now. I'm spreading it now. It's not easy, my sister. So after spreading it, what comes next is that, okay, I'm still like trying to adjust, to make it at least befitting for what I really want. So after that, I will now go to overlay again, pick my logo, pick the uh, cap CapCut logo. So I will add it to the project. I'm adding it to the project. This is it. Then I will have to resize the CapCut a little bit to go smaller, a little bit. Can you see? So that is it. That is the size, at least a little bit smaller again. So I'm putting it there. Can you see? A little bit smaller again. Then after that, I will have to go and look for text to put in my title. So first of all, I'll be putting 2022. Can you see? 2022. 2024. We are in 2024. We are not going back in Jesus' name. So I'm bringing that 2024 out. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. This thing is very easy and it's not easy. So I'm just trying my best. And at the same time, after putting that, I will have to go to the text again, write CapCut. Can you see? I'm putting CapCut under that CapCut. So I'm making sure that the something is underneath and it's neatly. So the next thing is for me to go back to the front, to the size, to the style. Can you see the style? We have different kind of style which I'm trying to show. You see the prompt here, you see the style beside the prompt. So I'm trying to look at the one that will fit my mood. So after that, I'm going to write thumbnail. Yes, thumbnail. Thumbnail will come out now. This is thumbnail. So I'm trying to adjust the thumbnail. I don't want it to overlap each other. So I'm trying to adjust it. I'm adjusting it. So after that, I'm writing tutorial now. It will be CAPCUT thumbnail tutorial 2004 CAPCUT thumbnail tutorial. After writing it, yes, this is what I like. This is what I'm looking for. This is my mood for now. So after putting that, the next thing for me that I did was to go up and change this 2024 to the same background, to the one that I use. So I'm picking that one. I'm going to delete it. Then use the same color, the same style that I use for this CAPCUT tutorial, CAPCUT thumbnail tutorial. So like I'm still trying to adjust it. Maybe I should style or not. So now this 2024, definitely I'm going to change it. So I'm going there right now to change it now. Kindly subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe to my channel. It's easy. The editing is one of the toughest job to do. So I'm picking that 24 away. I'm removing the 2024. I don't like the white background. So I'm going to use the same color with this white and black color 2024. So 2024. So can you see? Yes. So I will try to adjust it at least to come to the center. This is it. This is it. This is it. I'm trying to adjust. It's too small. Okay. I think this is the size I use. So this is it. So after using it, after this, I will be going to flitter it. I'll be going to flitter it. I'll be looking at, I'm going to flitter now. So I will click on flitter. I'm going to flitter. So I'm going to flitter. So it asks me to on my internet. To on my internet, which I did. I will have to, okay, I have to click on my internet, on it, so that I can see different type of flittering styles they have, different colors they have there. So I've on my internet, say they have come up now. So I first pick this one, the background change. It's a little bit brighter. Can you see? This is how this is how you are going to do it. If you want to flitter, you take it back and front, you check any one you want to use. You can use 2 or 3 flitter, depends on how you want it. So actually I picked this one. I picked this. Then I press it. Can you see the color has changed a little bit? So the next thing is to export now. That is to download it. I click then I downloaded the date. Yes, the work has come out now. So I have to off my data. So after downloading, what next? The next thing I did was to screenshot it. Because I don't want the logo of CAPCUT. I don't need that. So I screenshot, then crop. Can you see me cropping? So after I crop, So I'm going back to my gallery now. I will click on gallery, go to my picture. I'm going to picture to see the work I've done, the project I've just done. This is it. Can you see? So at this point here, I still need to bring it out. I think I use my phone to adjust the color. I went to adjust. Although I supposed to use it like that, but there is one particular something to this pop. I normally like that pop. Once I use it, the picture will come out sharp and it will come out. I like it. That is why I have to use that is why I have to come back here and use that see, it comes up very beautiful. Can you see? So kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching my video.